Have you ever wondered what to do with your excess groceries or food? You're probably going to throw them and it'll end up being food waste. Introducing I Do Give a Food, an all-in-one app to reduce food waste.
Before that, let me introduce our team members. From cloud computing, we have Reinaldo and Reyhan. From machine learning, we have Gracia and Ester. And from mobile development, we have Faris and Ilham.
First, our project background. Every year, about 1/3 of food produced in the world gets lost or wasted. Indonesia itself is estimated to generate around 21 million tons of household food waste per year. As seen from the table, the major contributor of food waste is from the household category. Wasted food means wasted resources, and it produces greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to the issue of climate change.
I Do Give a Food is an application that sought to help reduce food loss and waste. The application has three main features: food sharing and requests, fruit and vegetables freshness detection, and suggestions.
The next is for the architecture. We create the architecture by uploading a machine learning model on CloudRun in the form of Docker container. CloudRun server will connect to Firebase for storing data food that will be shared to other users. The users will authenticate himself with a Firebase, then he can use scan food features by uploading a JPEG file, then access to CloudRun and Firebase. With the data of stored food in Firebase, users can share their food from other users.
Now I will demonstrate how to use the ItGave application. First, the user will be given the option to register or login. If the user has never registered, the user can register. After registering, the user can login. After logging in, you will enter the home. On the home, there are home page, storage page, order page, and profile page. On the home page, the user can scan food ingredients. After the user scan, the user gets the result, which are the name of the food ingredient and the level of its freshness. User can also store their food ingredients in this application. The user can get the food processing recommendations too in here. Then, the user can share the food with others. After that, the user can see what he has shared on My Share. There are some tips as the result of food processing recommendations, but the user can choose what they are looking for. The user can search for the food that has been shared. For example, I want to find a chicken. If you find it and want to pick it up, then click Pick Up and select the amount and time to pick it up. When finished, you will be informed of the address that's shared. Users can also see on the order page.
Now, let's move on to the business side. For users, we target students and also household. For our secondary target market, we target organic fertilizer manufacturer as our client, where users can share their organic food scraps to be processed into organic fertilizer. Here's how we get our revenue. We chose freemium as our business model. For the free version, the user can scan their food ingredients to see if it's still fresh or not, and then our app will give them the processing recommendation, and they can store them. There is also a food sharing feature, but it's limited per user. Lastly, the user can upload their own food processing tips and can interact with the other users of our app. For the premium subscription, the user will get all of the features in basic version, get prediction about food shelf life, unlimited food sharing or receiving, and when sharing or receiving food, the user can filter it and it will be ranked based on his or her preferences, so it will be more efficient.
For the next thing is we have planning some future improvement for this product mobile application. User can adding more food categories and predict food shelf life. For personalized tips, social media campaign for anti-food waste, partnering with Gojek for delivery or payment, and then partnering with supermarket and fertilizer manufacturer. So this is our project milestone for 2022. In July, we want to testing this app to customer using MVP criteria. Then we launch app on the Play Store on August. On October, we will do more improvement based on customer feedback. Then on November, we will add premium feature, then do campaign about food waste. Next is we want to develop website, application, and iOS app. So that's all from us. Thank you for giving attention for our video presentation.